In this video, we will show you what to do if phone calls don't work on your Galaxy Note 20. Another common issue on many smartphones is trouble regarding calls. If calls on your Galaxy Note 20 are not working, there are a number of factors that you must consider. Here's what you need to do. First solution, check the signal indicator. Your phone must have a good and stable reception to be able to make and receive phone calls. Check the signal indicator at the upper right corner. If you're only getting one signal bar or none at all, then that's the reason why phone calls don't work on your device. Second solution, force stop the phone app and open it again. It is also possible that the problem is with the phone app. To rule this out, close it and then open it again. Tap the recent apps key and then swipe up on the phone app preview. After that, open the app again and see if the problem is fixed. Third solution, force restart your phone. Another possibility is that the problem is caused by some minor issues with the firmware. So try doing the forced restart to refresh your device's memory and reload all services. To do this, press and hold the power key and the volume down button for 10 seconds. This will trigger your Note 20 to shut down and turn back on. When the logo shows, release both keys and wait until the phone has finished rebooting. If this doesn't fix the problem, then try the next solution. Fourth solution, reset the phone app. If the previous solutions failed to fix the problem, then it's time that you clear the cache and data of the phone app. It's possible that the problem is with the app, and a simple app reset might fix it. Go to the screen where the phone app is located, tap and hold the icon until the options show. Tap App Info, and then touch Storage. Tap Clear Cache at the bottom of the screen. Tap Clear Data and tap OK to confirm. After resetting the phone app, open it and try making a phone call. Fifth solution, reset all the settings. After resetting the app and the problem is still not fixed, then it's time to rule out the possibility that the problem is with the firmware. Try resetting the settings first and see if that fixes the problem. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap General Management. Tap Reset and touch Reset Settings. If prompted, enter your security locks. Tap Reset to proceed with the settings reset. After that, try making a phone call. Sixth solution, factory reset your phone. As long as the problem is not with the network, you should be able to fix this problem by resetting your phone. So back up your data and follow these steps. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap General Management. Tap Reset and touch Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your security locks. Tap the Delete All button. Enter your Google ID password and tap Done. After the reset, set up your Galaxy Note 20 as a new device. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.